Hey Travis, what's going on?
Yeah, just doing some danger tree removal on the side of Pastrick Road towards Christova here,
Oh,
sticking out on the road.
oh wow, yeah, this is dangerous. Yeah, it's right beside the road, so can we take it?
Yeah, it's YRB's stuff. They said we can take it anyway here.
So we got the Phoenix, we brought in the Phoenix, and we brought the old backhoe, and we're gonna pull them out, cut them up, and we got firewood, eh?
I should get a cord out of here just about.
For sure. Ooh, look at those ones that are up. I guess we're not gonna cut those. That's not our jurisdiction. They're hanging up there. All right, well, let's get to work. All right. So, Trav, give us an update. How are things going so far?
Yeah, doing pretty good. Got one out and cut up in about 8 minutes. Two saws going at, so it doesn't take that long.
Two saws?
Yeah,
Really? What do we got here?
395 XP.
Oh, that's a nice saw.
Big power head on that one, and then 460 still.
Oh, so we got the battle of the saws here. So how long did it take to cut this right here?
Yeah, probably 5 minutes to cut it up.
How many pieces?
72.
72, 73. Holy. Okay, well, let's get back to work. Is there, I think there's another tree back there.
Yeah, one more large to pull out. Yeah, I just pulled another one, spruce, but you know what? Easy firewood, so you take advantage of it. It all creates BTU. You know, even if we got to use it in our own shops and houses, it's totally fine with me. It was on its way to dying anyway.
Oh, it was dying? Oh, yeah, I could see that. So we should get about another 60, 70 pieces out of this baby?
Yeah, I'd say this one pretty close to the same. Maybe let's say about 60 on this one.
Did we cut enough wood already?
Yeah, I got about two-thirds of a cord. So we're just trying to clean up some more just right by where we were earlier.
So what do we got? Oh, we got a fir here. Nice fir. We skidded it out. And we got a pine. Frozen. So this should top us up, and we'll get probably total cord out of the 4 trees. So Travis, we are done for today.
Yeah, quick cord.
Quick, really? Is this a quick cord on here?
Yeah.
So how many trees fit onto the truck?
Four trees.
4 trees, and we got a cord of wood, eh? Nice. So cleaned her up. Here she be. Well, they look a little bit frozen, though.
Yeah, they're frozen winter. Really good for next spring, but you know, if people want to burn them, they get the boiler effect in their wood stove, a little bit of steam there.
Like the Banya effect. Okay. Well, that's beautiful wood there. Yeah, just short of a cord, but pretty close.
Helping highways clean up the mess on the side of the road before we start getting more snow.
Yeah, they'll clean this up with the blade, and well, now we got her. Thank you for helping me, Travis. I guess now we gotta haul her home.
Yeah.
Nice day today. What do you figure the temperature is right now?
Yeah, probably about -7, -8.
Beautiful working.
Good working weather.